Welcome to this Transmitter Solutions short introduction video of our UHF or RFID kits. We wanted to explain the two options that we have for you because UHF readers are becoming more and more popular in our industry. We have two options which suit different needs for the type of installation that you'll be doing, and wanted to give you a quick overview of how they work. This is our standard Dolphin UHF reader, which is going to get between 25 and 30 feet read range. This will wire up to any existing Wiegand 26-bit access control system. So if they have an existing telephone entry or existing access control, this is the one that you would go with, which would wire right into it. The cards come with a facility code and serial number. This also comes with all of the mounting hardware that's required, and again is going to get 25 to 30 feet and wires into existing Wiegand access control. This is the PAL RFID Kit. The PAL RFID Kit is used for installations where there is not existing access control or where they don't have the budget for full access control. This is a wireless cloud-based controller that wires into the two inputs on the PAL RFID reader. We also send the mounting hardware, and this allows them to have all the full functionality of cloud-based software. You don't have to work with any of the network wires or IP addresses, and you can watch a more detailed video on our YouTube channel, which we'll link here. And this system is going to get between 25 to 30 feet, can be minimized in the software to go down to 3 feet, but this is a great option and an inexpensive option when they don't have existing access control on the property, but want an RFID reader. They're able to monitor, track, set automatic open and close schedules, and restrict access. They can do all of that with this. So two options. The Dolphin UHF for existing access control systems, or the PAL RFID Kit when they don't have existing access control but want the functionality of an RFID reader.